There are many waterfalls in the world, but today we are going to discuss about 5 biggest waterfalls in the world. Waterfalls make up some of the most visited and best known natural tourist attractions around the world. While there are many amazing waterfalls around the globe, these 5 of the world's biggest and best waterfalls that stand out from the rest in terms of not only height and volume, but also factoring in sheer beauty. In here, first one is Niagara Falls. It is situated in Ontario, Canada and New York, USA. Niagara Falls is the world's most famous waterfall. At 51 meters in height, it is certainly not the largest waterfall in terms of height. However, this magnificent waterfall has an impressive average flow rate of 1,834 cubic meters per second. Niagara Falls can be enjoyed by boat, helicopter, or on foot. Second one is Angel Fall. It is located in Venezuela, Canaima National Park. It is the tallest waterfall in the world. It is about 979 meters. If it is said in other way, 3,212 feet high. Around 1 million people visit the waterfall each year. Third one is Iguazu Falls. It is located in Argentina and Brazil, South America. At 82 meters, Iguazu Falls is much shorter than many of the world's biggest waterfalls by height. But what it lacks in height, it makes up for in volume, especially during the rainy season, when the Rio Iguazu can swell up to 8 times its usual size. Fourth one is Victoria Falls. This is neither the tallest nor most voluminous waterfall in the world, but aside from being among the most spectacular, it is widely regarded as the largest. It is 108 meters high. Victoria Falls is so vast and impressive that rainbows often form in its spray. Fifth one is Oloupena Falls. It is situated in Hawaiian island of Molokai. It is 900 meters high. Actually, it is very beautiful waterfall. Large number of people visit the waterfall in each year. These are all about 5 biggest waterfalls in the world. Shall we meet again with our new video? Bye bye.